Macadamia nut, nutrient-rich marvel and energy enhancement. Introduction. The macadamia nut can be described as an incredibly delicious and versatile nut that is gaining popularity over the last few years because of its distinctive and delicious taste. Originating from Australia, macadamia nuts provide many nutritional advantages and are regarded as an excellent source of nutrients. In this post, we'll explore the numerous health benefits associated with macadamia nuts, as well as their nutrition profile and the ways they may boost the energy level of your body. Nutritional profile of macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts contain vital nutrients and nutritious fats. They're a great source of monounsaturated fats that are believed to benefit the health of your heart. They help reduce bad cholesterol levels and also lower the risk of developing heart-related diseases. Along with nutritious fats, macadamia nuts also are rich in minerals and vitamins. They're a great supply of vitamin B6, magnesium, iron, and potassium. Vitamin B6 is a key part in the metabolism of energy, as magnesium and potassium are vital to maintain good blood pressure levels. Health benefits of macadamia nuts. 1. Heart health. Monounsaturated fats found in macadamia nuts can lower the risk of heart disease by decreasing the bad cholesterol level. Additionally, they contain omega-3 fatty acids that help to improve the health of your heart. 2. Weight management. Although they are high in calories, macadamia nuts help in weight loss. They contain nutritious fats, fiber, and protein found in the nuts can to keep you full and content, which reduces the urge to eat healthy snacks. 3. Better digestion. Macadamia nuts provide a great source of fiber in the diet that aids in a smooth digestive process and helps prevent constipation. The health of your digestive system is essential for general health of your body. 4. Healthy brain. The abundance of vitamin B6 as well as other important nutrients found in macadamia nuts improves the health of your brain and improves cognitive performance. They aid in maintaining an alert memory while reduce the chance of developing dementia-related diseases such as Alzheimer's. 5. Antioxidant properties. Macadamia nuts contain antioxidants like vitamin E that helps to neutralize damaging free radicals within the body. Antioxidants are essential in protecting cells from damage and decreasing the chance of developing chronic illnesses. Enhancing your energy levels with macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts can be a fantastic source of energy because of the healthy fats they contain. They are digested easily by your body and offer an ongoing supply of energy. Incorporating macadamia nuts into your diet will help fight fatigue as well as provide an organic increase in the energy level of your body. In addition, macadamia nuts are rich in vital vitamins and minerals that help maintain the optimal levels of energy. Vitamin B6 is one example. Vitamin B6, for example, is involved in the metabolism of energy and assists in the conversion of food into usable energy. Magnesium and potassium are also essential to the production of energy and help reduce muscle weakness and fatigue. Integrating macadamia nuts into your diet. Below are some easy and tasty ways to include macadamia nuts in your daily food routine. 1. Take a bite of macadamia nuts that have been roasted or in raw form to get an immediate boost of energy. 2. Sprinkle crushed macadamia nuts on your oatmeal or cereal to add texture and taste. 3. Make use of macadamia nut butter as spread over toast, or use it as a dip to fresh vegetables and fruits. 4. Sprinkle macadamia nut pieces chopped up over soups, salads, or stir-fries to give them a crunch flavor. 5. Incorporate macadamia nuts into your baking dishes like cookies or muffins for an amazing nutty taste. Conclusion. The macadamia nuts contain nutritious and filling food source that provides a variety of benefits for health. The high amount of health-promoting nutrients, fats, and minerals makes an excellent supplement to your food plan. They can help improve heart health or increasing energy levels. Macadamia nuts can be a diverse and tasty way to improve the overall health of your body. Therefore, take a few of these healthy nuts and reap the health benefits that they can provide.